This is my new merch. You guys. Howdy loves, and welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, my name is Caroline and you should totally subscribe and join the man fam. I cannot believe that it's literally September. Like where did the time go? What is going on? Hopefully I'm not the only one that's confused how we're almost gonna be going into 2022. So I actually have a very special announcement slash surprise for you guys. This is my new merch, which is going to be released sometime in the fall. I have been working on it for so long and I'm so happy with how it's turned out. For those of y'all that don't know, I love sunsets. Literally every single time I go to Mill Valley, where I was originally from and where I visit my grandma, you will always find me watching a sunset there. Same thing with Texas. Texas has some pretty good sunsets, but nothing compares to Mill Valley sunsets. And so that is why it says Mill Valley, California. I go there literally all the time because I'm just obsessed with Mill Valley. So yeah, I will keep you guys posted on when the release drop is going to be, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like on. I'm wearing a large because I like oversized fits. But yeah, I'm so excited. Right now I'm gonna make a little snack. I already had breakfast and I'm not really hungry for lunch because I did have a big breakfast. So I went to the farmer's market the other day with my friend Lexi and I got the balsamic vinegar and grilled onions hummus. This was amazing when we tried it. And sadly I don't have the pita bread. I think that's what it's called. Oh no, I think it's called naan bread. It's either pita bread or naan bread. I'm not really sure, but the sample I had was that bread with this hummus and it was so good, so I had to buy it. And then I've got a cucumber as well. So I don't know if this is weird. I just really like cucumbers and hummus, so that's what I'm gonna be eating for my snack.
I don't think like that, she says to me. I can't help but feel the subtleties. So if it all expires, I guess the date's not what it seems. But I can't help it, boy, she says to me. I'm not sure I truly gave my best. Made a home.
You guys, Kanye's new album, Donda, so good. I have to pet sit right now, so I'm gonna take you guys with me, and yeah. The dog that I'm pet sitting is the absolute cutest. His name is Wyatt. Hello, hi. Hi. Good job, Wyatt. When I'm pet sitting, I usually do 4 times a day, 8 a.m., 12, 4, and then 8 p.m. It definitely sounds like a lot, but it's actually not that bad, especially because the family that I'm pet sitting for is like a really good family friend of ours, and we live very close to each other, and he's the sweetest dog.
Touchdown in your city. First thing, gotta hit her up.
Huh?
I'm a man, I'm on a mission, mama. Yeah, you know I'm never giving up. A couple bad ones.
We've done this forward deployment before.
Uh-oh.
Our longest war is actually Korea.
So I've been listening to this really good podcast, but I'm not gonna say what it is because it's definitely gonna start controversy. But basically, I wanted to show you guys a fall haul. I went to World Market, one, just because I love looking at World Market. They have really good furniture, super cute like plant holders, and also I love just like looking at the kitchen section. Big fan of World Market. Then I also went to Michael's, and you guys, Michael's literally had the best fall section that I've probably seen like in my whole life. I only got 3 things. It wasn't like anything crazy, but so first I got this like tabletop decor, and I was thinking this would be really cute not only in our kitchen but also in my bathroom or my bedroom, and I could put like products on here. So I really like this. I think you could put a lot of things on here. Okay, and then the next 2 things are just candles, but I freaking love candles. If y'all know me, I burn through candles like there's no tomorrow. So I got this one. It's in the scent Toasted Pumpkin Seed. It smells so, oh my gosh, it smells so good. I already know my mom isn't gonna like this because she hates like sweet smells, but I love it. Like, I'm so here for the fall scents. And then look at how cute this other pumpkin candle is. This is in vanilla balm scented candle. So it just smells like vanilla. It's like more of a clean smell. Like it kind of smells like a clean house, but it's in a cute pumpkin. So I am so hyped and so happy with what I got. I'm also really proud of myself because I was gonna splurge and like buy something, but I already have fall room decor from last year. And also next year I'm going to be obviously not living here. I'm gonna be living wherever I go to college, so I want to minimize what I would have to take. All right, I'm gonna go back home and edit a video and upload it because it's been like a week since I've uploaded a video, so I need to do that. If y'all don't wear Crocs, something's wrong with you. My parents just got home from their vacation. Now we're gonna go as a family to my aunt's house, my mom's sister, and we're gonna have dinner and like, I think we're having steaks tonight with my aunt, uncle, and then cousins. And I'm very excited to see them.
Sesame oil. Yeah. No, I'm good. I like it.
Good morning. Happy Labor Day weekend. I'm currently making oatmeal right now for breakfast. So I realized I didn't actually finish out yesterday's part, so I'll just tell you guys what I did. While I was at my aunt's house, my best friend Leighton, or my guy best friend, he called me, and he already had left for college because he was a senior last year. So he called me and he was like, hey, what are you doing? Like, I haven't talked to you in a while. And I was like, oh, I'm at my aunt's house right now actually. And then he was like, oh shoot, like I'm at your house, I'm out front. And so I was like, what? No. So we ended up hanging out last night, and then I also hung out with my other friends that came home from college, and it was really nice to see them. So I think I went to bed around like 1-ish maybe. So I'm a little tired. I woke up pretty late today. So I need to eat this really quick, and then I'm gonna go pet sit because I have to do that this morning. I'm about to go to the gym, but before I go, I'm eating some of this yogurt. It's the Dannon Light and Fit Greek blueberry yogurt. So good, and it has 12 grams of protein. You guys, I just got home from the gym, and my mom went to Bath & Body Works and got new candles and a lot of groceries too. I'm gonna give a candle haul. This one is Champagne Toast. Oh, that smells very good. Yeah. Next we have Hello Autumn. This is very cute. Oh, yes. Wait, which ones are mine? All of them? I just got it. Okay, wait. Next one is Wonderfall. Oh, this one's like kind of like a eucalyptus smell. By the way, my dad is shredding that, so if you hear like aggressive noises, that's that. Pumpkin apple. Oh. Alright, so because it's Labor Day, we are celebrating the day with our friends, and we're gonna be having like a little party and swimming and eating like hamburgers and hot dogs. This is my OOTD. Swimsuit top is from Sunny Co Clothing. Bottoms are from Target, and yeah, my tennis shoes. Oh wait, I haven't shown you guys these. Okay, I'm obsessed with these tennis shoes. They're really good for running, and they're by Adidas. So hopefully if I can find them, I will link it for you guys. But I bought it like a year ago, so I don't really remember like the style.
No.
What if you really found getting it done? I was just having fun. You was never the one.
Are we in? I feel like we're in water. We gotta get closer. Miss Rhonda wants to show y'all Lola. It's a drink holder.
This is the best pool toy ever invented. Her name is Lola.
Pretty cute. And where's she from?
She's so faithful. Mom. She's from At Home.
Oh,
the land of At Home.
she's from At Home. Okay, ready, Cass? Let's do this.
5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33.
Y'all, you survived. You saw that drop? That was crazy. We've got the dads in the hot tub, T and Rhonda chatting, and Cass and I.
Apology without change is manipulation. Oh, and loving you always had me hesitating. She played you, then you played me. You said this time, don't worry. You made me a fool, and I followed the rules. Never good enough for you. The way you talk to someone is a reflection of how much respect you have for them as a